Insta360 X5 has two types of removable lens guards to help protect the camera's lenses. Let's look at how to use them. Choosing the lens guards. You can easily distinguish between the standard and premium lens guards by their color markings. For everyday protection of your lenses, the standard lens guards are a great choice. For maximum protection, we recommend the premium lens guards. Both are used in the same way. This video will demonstrate with the standard lens guards. Before and after installation, use the included cleaning cloth to wipe the camera's lenses and the inner and outer surfaces of the lens guards. This helps prevent dirt from affecting image quality. To install, align the notch on the lens guard with the lower right slot of the lens. Then rotate the lens guard clockwise until the notch is aligned with the center of the wind guard. Repeat with the second lens. To remove, hold down the edge of the base of the lens guard and rotate counterclockwise to remove. The camera automatically detects when the lens guards are installed or removed and adjusts the stitching line for the best effect. After the lens guards are installed, an icon will appear in the camera status bar indicating that lens guards mode is enabled. Avoid using the lens guards in wet conditions as their seal is not waterproof. If the lens guards do get wet, dry each lens thoroughly with a soft cloth to avoid fogging.